What if you could finish hours of work in just minutes using the right AI prompts? Most people use ChatGPT the wrong way. They ask basic questions and get basic answers. But today, I'll show you 10 powerful ChatGPT prompts that will save you hours every single day, whether you're a student, creator, freelancer, or business owner. These prompts work right now in 2026, and you can copy and paste them instantly. Let's get started. The first prompt helps you break down any task clearly. Act as an expert project manager. Break this task into simple, step-by-step actions that a beginner can follow. Use this when you feel overwhelmed. ChatGPT turns confusion into a clear plan, saving you thinking time. The second prompt is for instant research. Summarize this topic in simple terms. Include key points, examples, and common mistakes. Instead of reading long articles, this gives you clear summaries in seconds. The third prompt improves answer quality. Before answering, ask me any questions you need to give the best possible response. This forces ChatGPT to think deeper and deliver higher quality answers. The fourth prompt generates endless content ideas. Generate 20 content ideas for a specific platform targeting a specific audience, optimized for high engagement. This works for YouTube, TikTok, blogs, and business content. The fifth prompt helps you write like a professional. Rewrite this text to be clearer, more engaging, and easier to understand. Use this to instantly upgrade emails, scripts, captions, and essays. The sixth prompt helps you learn any skill faster. Create a 30-day beginner learning plan for mastering a specific skill with daily tasks. This turns ChatGPT into a personal tutor. The seventh prompt helps you make decisions faster. Compare these options in a table with pros, cons, cost, and best use case. This is perfect for choosing tools, ideas, or strategies. The eighth prompt helps automate your workflow. Suggest ways AI can automate or simplify this workflow. This shows you exactly what AI can handle for you every day. The ninth prompt fixes bad AI responses. Improve this response by making it more detailed, accurate, and practical. Never settle for weak AI answers again. The 10th prompt is the universal prompt formula. Act as an expert in a specific role. Your task is to achieve a specific goal. Use a clear structure, examples, and simple language. Ask questions if needed. This formula works for almost anything. If you want these prompts, check the description. They are ready to copy and paste. Subscribe to Smart AI Academy for weekly AI tutorials that help you work smarter, not harder. In the next video, I'll show you the best free AI tools you should be using in 2026.